Ready to transform your illustration game and build some incredible trees in Adobe Illustrator. First, create a new document with a standard size today. We'll start with the trunk using the rectangle tool. Click and drag to create a tall, brown rectangle. This will be our foundation. Now, select the direct selection tool. Click on the corners of the rectangle and slightly adjust them to give the trunk a more natural, uneven shape. This adds character. Next, let's add some gradient. Select the trunk. Go to the gradient panel, apply a brown to dark brown radial gradient to add depth and dimension. Play with the gradient stops by adjusting and moving them to get the look you are going for. Now, let's create leaves. Use the ellipse tool and drag out a circle. Make it green. Copy and paste the circle, then subtly adjust the size and position of the circles, overlapping them. Use the shape builder tool and merge the overlapping shapes into a cohesive leaf cluster. Now you're ready for more advanced techniques. Repeat the steps of creating the trunk and leaves, but change the colors and shapes of the leaves. You can create different kinds of trees. As you practice, your vector tree illustration skills will blossom. So, that's how you create a tree in Adobe Illustrator. Now go forth and create a forest. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative tutorials.